Alright, so my first step is to remove this heavy skid plate here. This is an aftermarket thing. It's definitely not applicable to the stock bike. Alright, with the skid plate removed, we can see there's a bolt right here. This guy right here, this is on the right hand side of the bike. This is the right hand side of the engine. This is our drain valve for our coolant. So, and it's a 10mm wrench, fits on there. So we should be able to crack this open and drain out some coolant. I've got a little catch can thing here. And then if I crack open my radiator, we should get better flow out of there. All right, and then once the it stops flowing out, I'm gonna go ahead and put my cap back on there. All right, and then this gets torqued to 11 foot-pounds. All right, now we move on to the radiator cap, which is this guy right here. Go ahead, remove the radiator cap, unscrew this guy. Now we've got to get a funnel in here. All right, and I've got coolant that is already diluted, and the manual just says to have coolant that is for aluminum engines, and this is what this is. So, all right, and I'm removing the side cover, which is just 2 bolts right here. They're both 8mm wrench to get those off, and then this just slides off like that. And now we have access to our radiator. We can put a little funnel in there, fill this guy up. And you're supposed to fill the radiator all the way up. And then with the radiator full, we'll put our cap back on here. And then this up here is our coolant overflow tank up here. And so we'll take the cap off of here. We're going to fill this with fluid as well. And the manual says to do this, to fill it to about that point right there with the bike on its side stand, which is where it is now. I shake, yeah, so we're right about there now. So it's not much, not a very big tank. Go ahead and put a cap back on this guy.